Hi boys and girls, we are going to be continuing on talking about teen numbers. We have talked all about the numbers 11 and 12, and today we're moving on to talk about the next set of teen numbers. So let's start by looking at the learning target and success criteria for today. So the learning target is to count and write the numbers 13 and 14. And we will know you've been successful with that if you can count one object for each number to 14, and if you can write the numbers 13 and 14. So we're working on counting objects, and we're working on writing numbers. So I want to first start out by showing you my cubes. So just let me get this up here for you. Okay, I think you should see this in a second. I'm curious if anyone thinks they can take a guess about how many cubes I have here. Does anyone think they can take a guess to say how many cubes you think I have here? Well, if you look at it, I can take a guess. I guess by looking at it because I'm guessing there's probably 10 here, and I see there's 2 more. And I know in my head that if there's 10 and 2 more, that would be 12. Should we count them just to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, if I put another cube on the train, now how many do we have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. The next number after 12 is 13. And we probably can figure out by now that a 13 would be a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. Now, the number that comes after 13 is 14. So now we have 14, and 14 would be a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. All right, let me show you this paper. You don't need to open your book quite yet. Let's just pretend that we have a carrot garden. And it is time for us to pull some of those carrots out of the ground. I'm going to place a cube on each carrot while we count how many carrots we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 carrots. If I move those down here to my 10 frame, see what it would look like. I'm going to move all the red ones first. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look, my 10 frame is full of red cubes. 10. And now I'm going to go 11, 12, 13. I have a group of 10 and 3 extra, and it's 13. And 13 looks like this, a 10 and 3 more. All right, I want you to go ahead and open your book to find this page, which is page 398. Let's count this lettuce together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 pieces of lettuce. Now a 13 looks like a 1 and a 3, and they need to be close together. A 1 and a 3 that are close together, because when they're close together, kind of like when we are writing letters to make a word, we keep them close together. 13. 13 looks like a 1 and a 3. Let's count these beets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 looks like a 1 and a 4 side by side. A 1 and a 4. down and over and down once more. That is how you make a 4. All right, 13, 14. These are green beans. Let's count the green beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 of them, so we write the number 13. Now let's count the red peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 red peppers. Now don't turn the page yet. I want to take a look at the green beans. I want us to circle 10 of them. Let's circle 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if that's a group of 10, show me on your fingers how many are left over. 3 are left over. Look, our number's 13. 13 is made from a group of 10 and 3 more. Now let's take a look at the red peppers. Let's circle a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle all of those. So look at that. That was 14. And if you look at it, I have circled a group of 10 and 4 left over. What's my number? 14. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 left over. Okay, let's do the next page. The next page has these cubes. Count the objects, write the number. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 looks like a 1 and a 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. And they need to be close together. If you put them far apart, if you have a 1 over here and a 3 over here, they look like separate numbers. But when they're side by side, they look like a 13. Let's count the broccoli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Straight line down, and now you're done. That is how you make a 1 and then a 4. Down and over and down once more. That is how you make a 4. Now let's count the yellow peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 yellow peppers. It helps me if I put a little dot on them while I'm counting, because then I know which ones I counted. It's easy to count some of them more than once. Okay, I'm now going to count the pumpkins. Watch how I make a mark on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I counted 14 pumpkins. I need to write a 14. Now don't turn the page yet. Go back up to the broccoli. With the broccoli, I'd like you to circle 10 pieces of broccoli. So to find 10, I'm just going to make lines on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here's what I want you to notice. When you have 14 of something, you have a group of 10, and then you have 4 left over. 14 has a group of 10. The 1 shows a group of 10, and the 4 shows 4 left over. Let's take a look at the yellow peppers. Let's circle a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So circle your group of 10. And look how many you have left over. Your number is 13. If you have the number 13, you have one group of 10 and then 3 left over. That's what these numbers mean. That's why there's a 1 and a 3. The 1 means you have one whole group of 10. And the 3 means you have 3 left over. Okay, turn to the other side. It's a picture of a grocery store. Let's see, we have some veggies up here. Over here, there's carrots kind of on this side. And then over here, there was eggplant. So we talked about eggplant when we met Miss E. And I think we agreed none of us in our class had ever tried eggplant before. And then we have cucumbers and corn. We need to draw 14 cucumbers in this shelf. To draw my cucumber, I'm just going to make a line. Super simple. I'm not going to make it really look like a real cucumber. So I'm going to make 14 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then I'm going to write a 14. A 14 is a 1 and a 4. There's a group of 10, one group of 10, and 4 left over. Now we need to draw corn. I'm not going to make it look like real corn. I'm just going to draw lines again. We need to make 13 ears of corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we're writing a 13 down below. 13 looks like 1 and then 3. Okay, we're moving on to the practice page. This one is already done. Counted the cubes, wrote the 13, counted the cubes, wrote the 14. I want you to do this by yourself. I want you to count these cubes and write the number. Count the eggplant and write the number. Turn it over, don't do it yet. Count the celery and write the number. Count the onion and write the number. On this one, we're going to draw 14, pretend it's heads of lettuce in the dirt. We can do that right now. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we are writing a 14. Okay, so before you get started doing the practice, remember, let's review our goal. Our goal was that you would be able to count one object for each number all the way up to 14. Okay, I think you're going to do that in just a moment. You're going to count all of the objects all the way up to 14 if that's how high it goes. And then my hope was that you can write the numbers 13 and write the numbers 14. So turn back to where these green cubes are on page 401, and I want you to finish this by yourself right now. Count them carefully. If it helps you to count them and cross off at the same time, you can do it that way. If you can just point and count, that's fine. You can do it that way. And then when you're finished, I'd like you to show me your work. All right, good job today.